Hi guys, it's me. Today we're looking at this and the broken cat. I don't like designers. So let's just move this aside. It's the playset. I couldn't post that thing when I make it because it's 19 minutes. Not my plants and stuff. And here's Steve. Steve cuts out him. Steve and him. Plus the yellow sheep. Plus the yellow sheep. And plus the baby sheep. It's right there. And plus the baby sheep. This is gonna be it for the video. I'm sorry. Sorry it's very short, but my video was like 19 minutes long, so I couldn't post it. So, bye-bye. Like and subscribe the video. Please like and comment below. What's your favorite? The heart, the parrot, or the sheep? Pick one!